Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, my topic you are eligible for a free consultation with our personal injury lawyers. Number one side accident help. Number two, cash advance within 24 hours. Number three, available 24/7. Number four, no fee if we don't win. Personal injury lawyers first name, email, phone number, comment, get you free consultation today. Fight your legal battle for you. Car accident, hit and run victims, slip and falls, dog bites, wrongful deaths, medical, personal injury, delaying with only hurt your case. Don't wait any longer. If you are an injury due to someone else, let us help you take a stand for yourself. The longer you delay medical treatment, the less compensation for will get. So it's important to act fast when dealing with a personal injury situation. We fight for you. Unlike other law firms, we don't take away what rightfully yours. We protect it and make sure you get the major share of the settlement. Even if it means we have to reduce our fee. Our customer love us always been a lawyer, but Joyce Jordan really made me feel like I was talking to a friend rather than someone just trying to take my money, me all my questions, and got me the results I was looking for. I cannot be hyper with the results, and I would Josh Jordan to anyone in need to legal. Yelp. These legal services were more than amazing. They did an amazing job with my case, and I had the perfect legal team working with me. Was the best keeping me informed and feeling me the best doctors to work with me and my after my accident. They went above and for the my brother, and for that I am grateful. I am more than with their services. I will always think of them whenever I need their help again with any legal services. I highly recommend this team to anyone and everyone. They will definitely fight for you. The best law firm period, very professional, very attentive, excellent knowledge. I recommend this law firm 100%. Very attentive, and they definitely give you a scene of caring and a personal touch on all of their work. My husband and I are truly impressed. Thanks, Joyce. Credibility and experience. The legal processing for yourself by onboarding industry experts. How now from the inside out is a compassionate and street smart law firm with a thorough comment on their sectors when you need a help hand after facing a grave or minor